Embark on a half-day Natura Discovery 4WD safari and uncover the secrets of Bora Bora's rich history and culture. This unique tour takes you through private roads to explore archaeological treasures and World War II remnants, all while learning about the island's fascinating past. Your journey begins at the private marae Hau Puni, an ancient site surrounded by an arboretum and medicinal plants. Here you'll witness the restoration of ancient objects and feel the spiritual significance of this sacred place. Next, ascend to the top of a hill where World War II cannons and bunkers await. These historic defenses offer a stunning viewpoint over Vitape Pier and the lagoon's turquoise waters, providing a perfect photo opportunity. At Mama Ruta's pareo workshop, discover the art of tinting and printing patterns on these traditional garments. Choose your colors and have a personalized pareo delivered to your hotel, a unique souvenir from your adventure. Relax on the white sands of Matira Beach, Bora Bora's most famous shoreline. Then, dine at Bloody Mary's restaurant, a local institution known for its seafood and a favorite among visiting celebrities. The final stop is Heroes Rock, an imposing natural wonder shrouded in local legend. Nearby, 2 more cannons are accessible via a path offering panoramic views of Raiatea and Taha. Your tour includes a guided experience, spring water, and a sample of seasonal fresh fruits. Pickup and drop-off are available from all main island hotels and guest houses, with additional charges for certain properties. The tour operates daily with a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 8 passengers per vehicle, accommodating both adults and children. Please note that the itinerary may change due to weather or other conditions. This adventure requires good health and is not recommended for pregnant women or individuals with certain medical conditions. Guests are advised to wear comfortable clothing and shoes, sun protection, insect repellent, and bring a bottle of water. After the safari, consider exploring more activities in Bora Bora to fully immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of this island paradise. Get ready for an unforgettable experience with Natura Discovery 4WD Safari. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.